Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today we have two dash cams that are ready to hit the road and capture every moment of your journey. On the left, we have the Vantrue Dash Cam Hardwire Kit, and on the right, we have the E-YEEGER Dash Cam Wi-Fi 2.5K 1440p front dash camera. Buckle up and let's dive into the comparisons. Let's start with everyone's favorite category, price. The Vantrue Dash Cam Hardwire Kit comes in at just $25, while the E-YEEGER Dash Cam Wi-Fi 2.5K 1440p front dash camera will set you back $79. Now I don't know about you, but I like to save some bucks without compromising on quality. So the Vantrue Dash Cam takes the lead in this round. Next up, we have power and parking surveillance. The Vantrue Dash Cam Hardwire Kit connects directly to your vehicle's battery, providing continuous power and ensuring 24/7 protection against theft. It even has a smart low-voltage protection system to prevent draining your battery. On the other hand, the E-YEEGER Dash Cam requires an additional hardwire kit for parking mode. It's a bit of a hassle, don't you think? Vantrue Dash Cam takes the win again. Now let's talk about features and functionality. The Vantrue Dash Cam Hardwire Kit has an ACC mode, which means it automatically turns on and off with the ignition. No more fumbling with chargers or dash cam switches. Plus, its Type-C USB plug is compatible with various dash cams, GPS navigators, and radar detectors. On the flip side, the E-YEEGER Dash Cam Wi-Fi offers smooth 2.4G Wi-Fi app control, allowing you to live stream, download videos, and change settings on your smartphone. It's convenient, but the Vantrue Dash Cam's versatility steals the show. Let's focus on the most important aspect of a dash cam: video quality. The Vantrue Dash Cam Hardwire Kit delivers excellent performance with its compatible models, capturing clear footage in various situations. However, the E-YEEGER Dash Cam Wi-Fi takes it up a notch with its 2.5K 1440p resolution, StarVis sensor, and f1.8 large aperture for superior night vision. It's like having a professional videographer riding shotgun. This round goes to the E-YEEGER Dash Cam. Moving on to design and durability. The Vantrue Dash Cam Hardwire Kit boasts a solid build with its aluminum alloy shell and heat resistance chipset, ensuring stable performance even in extreme weather conditions. It's also compact and won't obstruct your view while driving. As for the E-YEEGER Dash Cam Wi-Fi, it's designed to be mini and hidden, but it lacks the same level of durability as the Vantrue Dash Cam. So the Vantrue Dash Cam takes another victory lap. In summary, online reviews for the Vantrue Dash Cam Hardwire Kit highlight its affordability, easy installation, and reliable performance. Customers appreciate its compatibility with various models and the excellent customer service provided by Vantrue. On the other hand, the E-YEEGER Dash Cam Wi-Fi receives praise for its high-quality footage, user-friendly mobile app, and affordability. Reviewers find it easy to set up and navigate, making it a great value for the price. And there you have it, folks. In this head-to-head comparison, the Vantrue Dash Cam Hardwire Kit proves to be a reliable and cost-effective option, while the E-YEEGER Dash Cam Wi-Fi shines with its superior video quality. It all comes down to your personal preferences and priorities. Remember, always choose what suits your needs best. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more smart buying advice. See you next time on Buy Smart.